Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today we're going to be making a soap with black soap frosting. I did remember that I've done this like at least one other time with the Dragonfire and Brimstone soap, but that was over like a year ago. I needed to change it up. I wanted to do something different. I also really wanted to do like a disco inspired soap. I've had a lot of requests for that. Lots of people have requested soaps from different eras, like to do a 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s soap. And one of the things that kind of fell into that category was doing something like disco inspired. So here we go, a disco soap. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I have two, one for Royalty Soaps and one for my personal stuff. Well, enough about me. Let's make some soap. We will begin, of course, by pouring our lye water solution into our oils. What is lye water solution? It is simply sodium hydroxide mixed with water. And yes, it is mandatory for making cold processed soap. You cannot have soap without sodium hydroxide. Any other form of soap making that doesn't require you to have a lye water solution is melt and pour, and that is simply because it has already been done for you. Okay, so let's blend it up on low now until we reach emulsification. We're going to split off this batch into 3 equal sections, as equal as eyeballing can make them anyway. Gotta scrapey my big containy as best I can. And now for my favorite part, the colorants. So the first one we're gonna do is the gold. So this is 24 karat gold mica from TKB Trading. Look at that shimmer. But that is not sparkly enough for me. So we're also going to add, and I'm gonna have to open this up very gently, some gold dust Enviro glitter from Nurture Soap. Check that out. That's really gonna add some pizzazz. Next is the purple. We're using Purple Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap. Then I'm gonna add into this third one a little bit of black oxide mixed with water and 1 teaspoon of Nocturnal Mica powder. This is the perfect black mica. If you are keen on using a mica to color your soap black, this is the best one I found. It's from Nurture Soap. Ooh man, this one's gonna be a fun one to blend. This is the fragrance oil we're going to use today. I cannot bring myself to say this out loud. It's a type of alcoholic beverage, I believe. Caleb, is that right?
Why would I know?
But it smells like fizzy grape and raspberry and stuff. It smells really great. I'm gonna blend this in by hand to keep it nice and fluid. Never mind, too impatient, going to blend. Alrighty, time to start pouring them into the mold. I'm going to start with the purple. By the way, this looks like it could be somebody's school colors. Like high school colors, come on. Does anybody have like purple and gold and black? I'm actually gonna put quite a bit on the bottom, I think, with the purple. Then I'm gonna start doing the drop swirl with the gold and the black. It feels like forever since I've done a drop swirl. I don't know why. Then I'm coming back with the black over here, going to do 2 down the sides and 1 down the middle. Coming in back with the gold, 1 down the middle and 1 down the side. I'm just trying to change it up. 1 down the middle and 1 down the other side for the black. Gonna do some more of the purple down both sides. Some more gold. I'm just gonna keep alternating basically until all the molds are filled up. Alrighty, so I have tapped these down on the ground. I'm gonna blend up the piping for the top and then we'll put the decorations on. I would just like to let you guys know I have overfilled my piping bag. I am like piping with the whole top open. But I have to say, I'm really digging it. It looks really luscious, like black ice cream, which I really want to try, by the way. Seen that on Instagram enough. I would also like to try the ice cream that looks like a fish mouth. I will insert a picture here because I have a feeling I'm going to describe this very poorly. But it looks like the ice cream is like coming out of the fish's mouth, and it's very whimsical and I love it. I wonder where one just picks up fish mouth ice cream. Okay, so now that I have this first layer done, I have some purple vibrance mica that I have mixed up with oil, and I'm gonna take my little squeezer here, and I'm gonna put one little drizzle line, just like so, on top. It sounds like an airplane just flew by the front of my house.
Zombie, zombie, we are fighting.
Second round of piping, here we go. It is just late enough for me to tell you guys a Kenny story. I promised in the white mystery soap that I would tell you guys some, and there are so many to pick from. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all guys one of the more extreme stories here, just so y'all get an idea of what a little freak my brother really is. Before I begin, I'm gonna put the second layer of drizzle on. I'm gonna be a little more purposeful about getting this on the edge here. So when I moved out, I didn't get to see my mom very much. We were both really busy at that point in our life, and so whenever I came home, I really just talked her ear off, and I really kind of hogged her a little bit. In hindsight, I should have shared her a little more, but my younger sister, Shelly, who is actually my sister like closest in age, so it goes me and then Kenny, and then my brother Simeon, and then Shelly, so she's closest to me. Well, she was kind of sick of me coming over and just hogging my mom, and she was kind of venting to me about it, like, hey, stop hogging our mother. So my brother Kenny and I were in the kitchen, and Shelly was in the living room talking to my mom. And I didn't really know that she was having like a private conversation with her. I just thought they were just having a normal conversation. So I walked in the room, and Shelly was kind of peeved and was like, ugh, Katie, what do you want? And she's sitting on the edge of the couch. Well, Kenny, I guess, decided to take up an offense for me because he got on all fours, hopped like a golem over the child gate near my sister Shelly, pushed her down onto the couch, and hissed in her face. We interrupt this program to show you the sparkly gold gumballs I'm gonna put on the top. Nobody was really surprised by this. I don't think anybody was shocked. We all thought it was really funny. It really lightened up the mood. And in general, that's the kind of crap that Kenny pulls and pulled in his past, present, and future. That is the kind of crap he does. And there's been a few times that he has had his own friends over and they have been weirded out. Like, forget my friends coming over, his friends have been disturbed. Oh man, these sparkly gumballs, they are something else. It has been a long time, I feel like, since I've been this extra on a soap loaf. Extra, extra, read all about it. You think I'm letting this go without glitter? You wrong. I'm gonna be using the Fizz Fairy Eco Fairy Dust in Black Galaxy on top. It's got a little bit of black, a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver in there. Really, really perfect for this bar. I have tried 3 different like little scoopers for this, and I've finally settled on this one. Some of the glitter pieces are like super fine, so it's really easy to put just a little too much on there. Come on here to the second one. Oh, I love it, it's marvelous. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this holographic gold glitter. I'm gonna sprinkle that on the top of the soap, on the little soap gumballs. A little bit more glitter on top, and my friends, we are done. And this is what it looks like up close. Can you see all the little hollow rainbows on top? Also, the camera is showing that purple to be way more blue than it is in real life. It's actually purple. If you go look at the Royalty Soap's Instagram, you will see some more accurate pictures of these. So I'm gonna wait 18 to 24 hours before we come back and chop up the Disco Glam soap after this quick commercial break. We are back the next day to cut the Disco Glam soap. Excuse the fact that I am definitely in my bathroom doing it. I don't know, I think the floors are so soothing. So I'm gonna line this up and let me tell y'all, the grape smell that is already like issuing forth from this soap loaf is divine. So when we look on the inside, this is what we get. So if I hold this up for you to see, that glittery gold probably isn't showing up as sparkly as it actually is in real life, but that drop swirl is magnificent. This sort of reminds me of the new Disney Maleficent movie. Then of course you have the black piping and all that glitter on top. This might have to be brought back for the best of collection. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you guys about that. So I had an idea, and then I saw a lot of people confirming my idea in the comments section. So here's what I was thinking, is that maybe in January, the soaps that we release could be repeat bars, because so many times I make the soap once and then a ton of people are like, oh, are you ever gonna make that again? And sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So maybe we should do a best of collection where you guys get to vote, and then I make the 8 bars of soaps for a remake month so that we can release them all again. Does that sound like fun? If you think so, let me know by clicking the I in the upper right hand corner of the screen. That's gonna be today's question of the day is, should we, for January 2019, do a remake month? Maybe we could even add a little more pizzazz on certain bars, so like when I remake it, I change it up just a little bit to make it even more fun. Also, there's the purple interwoven on the inside. Man, I love this bar. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. It smells so good. This soap is like one of my favorites. I love the glittery bits in it. This month is going to be really fun. I have a lot of designs that I really love. There are just some months where I put designs together and I'm like, yes, I feel complete. And then next month we have all the autumnal fragrances and stuff coming in. I can't even express to you how excited I am about autumn. And we are going to make candles this year for the shop, so I'm really excited about that too. There's so much good stuff coming up. I also just wanted to say a quick thank you to all you guys watching my videos. Like, I think I've just been sort of reflective these past couple of days, and I just feel so grateful for y'all's presence. Like, just the fact that you want to watch me make soap just means a ton to me. Thanks for being my online friend, and I will see you guys on Saturday. So until then, have an absolutely royal day. Do something for yourself today, whether that's looking at Pinterest at all the autumnal things coming up, or buying hats and scarves even though it never gets cold enough to wear them. Do something that makes you happy, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Meow.